Okay, so I was back to my hometown, so meeting all my friends again and having a fun night. And we were very drunk and very high, or like whatever. And so we went to a club, and I kind of lost my friend and met another friend, and he told me that we were all going to another bar. So I came into his car. We drove for a bit and waited for another friend on the parking lot. And I was so high and drunk that when I saw my friend arriving, I jumped onto the car and went on the roof of the car and was waving and like screaming and all this. And it was it was in December, so it was a bit of a wet day. And when I tried to get down the car, I actually fell, and my bum went straight into the window of the front car. And well, I didn't went through, but the whole thing was completely broken. We couldn't see anything from the inside, and I just like went down the car, got into the car of my friend, and I was just like, "I'm so sorry." And he looked at me, and there was that window completely broken. It was a very embarrassing story.